What if Earth began to lose gravity? Scientists say gravity is what holds our planet together: oceans, air, even life itself. Now imagine this force weakening, just slightly. Objects would feel lighter, oceans could rise, the atmosphere could slowly drift into space. Some theoretical models discussed by space scientists explore how cosmic events, like extreme solar activity or spacetime distortions, could affect gravity. Scientists study gravity constantly, not because it's disappearing, but because losing it would mean the end of Earth as we know it. This is not a prediction. This is a warning of how fragile our planet truly is.